In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Audible subscription from your phone without losing the audiobooks you already got in your account, whether you simply wanted to take advantage of the free audiobook Audible gives you, so you can keep it without having to pay the $15 monthly fee, or because you already have too many audiobooks and don't want to keep adding more to the list since you don't have enough time to listen to all of them. First, open the Audible app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. In these tabs, tap where it says Membership. To pause or cancel the monthly membership, we're gonna tap here on Manage. But one important thing before continuing, below this option, it will show you the number of credits you have available to redeem for an audiobook. Make sure to use them all, because if you cancel your membership while you still have credits available, you will lose those credits. So make sure you use them all, so you don't waste the credits you already paid for. As you can see, in my case, it shows that I have 0 credits because I already used them all. Let's continue with the process. Tap on Manage. Here Audible presents two options that make many people hesitate about what they should do, because if you're unsure, you're less likely to cancel your membership. You won't know if you're completely deleting your account, which would mean losing your audiobooks, or simply stopping the service payments. But that's a strategy to prevent members from unsubscribing from the paid service. That's why I'm here. The pause membership option allows you to choose how long you want to stop making monthly payments, so you stop receiving credits. You can choose 30, 60, or 90 days. Once the pause period ends, you will be charged monthly again to receive credits each month. Audible has this option because many people who pause their membership end up forgetting they did it and only remember when the payment appears on their card. If you just want to pause your membership for about 3 months and then continue receiving audiobooks, this is an ideal option for you. But if, on the other hand, you want to cancel the monthly payment while keeping the audiobooks you already have, you will choose the cancel membership option. Tap it. The browser will open and take you to the official Audible page. Here, Audible will insist that you pause your membership, but we don't want that, so scroll down to the bottom and tap Continue to cancel. Here, it will show you your current plan, but it will also offer some discount promotions. For example, this first promotion offers 50% off the monthly fee for the next 3 months. It's an interesting offer, but we are here to cancel the subscription. So, scroll down to the bottom and tap Confirm Cancellation. It will ask you for a reason why you're canceling the subscription. You can choose whatever you want. I will choose Other Reason and tap Submit. And that's it. With this, you've canceled the monthly Audible subscription while still keeping the audiobooks you've obtained. The message Audible shows here may vary. Some users get scared because they think they're being told they will lose their audiobooks starting from the display date. Out of fear of losing them, they end up tapping Keep my membership or Change my membership. But don't worry, you can lose any audiobooks. However, Audible does have a trick that allows you to get 3 audiobooks for free instead of just 1, and I show you that in the video that is appearing on the screen right now. If you want to get 3 free audiobooks instead of 1, you can find out by tapping here.